Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta wiper blades. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your specific model. You'll also want a soft cloth or towel to protect your windshield. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents it from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight down or away from the arm. It should detach with a little effort. Remember to keep a good grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and crack your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. You've successfully installed one new wiper blade. Now, simply repeat these same steps for the other side of your Ford Fiesta. Once both blades are installed, turn on your car and test them out using your windshield washer fluid. This ensures they're working correctly and clearing your view effectively. For optimal visibility, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or when you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.